welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I am here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we're going to be talking about something that may be just messing you up, y'all. We're talking about something that's a little bit terminology related, a little bit practical. So what's the difference between foam core and GatorBoard? They look similar, but customers have had questions and don't really understand the difference. Well, I'm here to sort such matters out for you. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about this. The first item that I have to show you here, this big piece, is actually a piece of foam core. Foam core is a framing material that you would use to use it as a backer or a dry mount support for artwork or posters or whatever it is that you're framing. We do have it in pH neutral, acid free. It's about, maybe 1/4 of an inch thick. This actually has like a foam inside. It's actually like a little bit sparkly, iridescent and cute and stuff like that. But this is actually like a paper. So it's not gonna react well. It's subjected to moisture. It's not what it's intended for. This is intended for archival purposes, to be, the support structure behind your artwork inside of a frame. That's what this is for. We have them in great big sheets. I think a standard sheet's 32 by 40. But then there is GatorBoard. What is GatorBoard and why do we care? GatorBoard is totally different, okay? GatorBoard isn't intended as a framing material. GatorBoard is intended as like a water media support for you to work on. So let's say that you're doing watercolor and you need something to stretch your watercolor paper on to keep it from buckling and stuff. That's what GatorBoard is designed for. Whereas foam core is essentially like a paper product, GatorBoard is not. It's a plastic and it has this funny sparkly foam on the inside. You can hear that it's much more rigid and it's hard as a rock. I've actually used GatorBoard for sculptural purposes before because it's kind of cool. You can do all kinds of stuff. It's really, really lightweight and kind of fun, but super, super rigid. So it's an awesome thing to have. And because it's plastic, it's not affected by water. So you can staple on it, you can tape on it, you can do all kinds of stuff and it holds up. Now, we have carried this for years and years and years and years for stretching watercolor paper. So it comes in sizes that accommodate full and half sheets and all that kind of stuff. We have white and brown and all that kind of good stuff. But that's the essential difference. One is for framing, one is for like a water media support. And even though they look similar, they are quite different in the way that you use them. So if you have any other questions, please let us know. Shoot them here to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff and we'll be glad to address them for you. So thanks for watching and